So, hi Miggy! Congratulations for being part of Star Magic. Itong last na role mo from senior high, you've been one of those stars na talagang tinutukan and napakagaling ng pagkaka-portray mo. What can you say about the reaction of the people about Team Impoch and yung wish nila na magkaroon ng season 2?
Well, first of all, I'm very overwhelmed. Sobrang overwhelming lalo na nung inakapunan nung first scene namin na tinatry na mag-team up yung Tim and Poch. At the same time, sobrang na-enjoy namin ni Zijan. Ako mismo kaya ko na sabihin for Zijan also na sobrang thankful kami and grateful kami dun sa pag-akap and sobrang init nga. And in the process ng while doing senior high, sobrang iniingatan namin yung story. With Derek Onat, sobrang maingat siya sa storyline ng Tim Poch. And kami rin syempre mismo, hindi namin binibreak yung chemistry namin ni Zijan. Sobrang importante kasi we never talked about it. We never talked about it. Like parang nagkaroon lang kami ng how do I say it? It's an actor thing na parang gets yun na kagad yung gagawin without saying kung ano yung kailangan namin gawin. Does it make sense? So parang malaking bagay na ganun ka open yung co-actor mo, which is si Zijan grabe magbigay eh. So wala akong humihingi sa kanya kundi kumbaga like respect lang kami. Okay ba na ganito yung gawin ko for the scene? Okay ba na laging may consent? There you go. And then also with the season 2, like ako sobrang I'm game. I'm down kung meron man na i-offer, like I'm really down. Yeah.
So, ayun, nice one for that kasi hinihira yung magkaroon ng may tandem and then parang pa kayo ni Zijan na parang nagbabalik ulit sa series. Ngayong 2024 and as you having a new management, ano pa yung gustong itry ni Miggy na iba pang role? May gusto ka ba bang or may role ka ba? And if meron, ano ito and sino yung gustong maka-cover role?
Well, for 2024, I'm looking forward to do more projects first. Pero kung like sa dream role, siguro I'm actually down with any character because I love telling stories. I love portray. That's the benefit of having this job for me. It's yung kumbaga like privilege sa akin na to portray someone else. So lalabas ako dun sa sa personal character ko. So malaking bagay yun for me na may gagampanan ako ibang tao. So I have to like separate myself out of it. So yun yung pinaka na-enjoy ko ng journey. And kung meron siguro like dream role siguro, I don't know, like I love psycho characters kasi. So medyo nandun ako sa mga, when I watch movies, may po ako sa mga dark na concept, ganyan. Hello. Ayan, so mga dark na concept ganyan. So parang actually basically I'm down kung ano man i-offer. Kaya naman namin pag-usapan and then if bagay and kung kaya namang gampanan talaga, why not?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Carlos, you have a question?
Wait lang.
Miggy, congratulations to the Star Magic. Question lang, hindi ka ba natatakot na typecast yung LGBT? Kasi parang sunod-sunod yung mga project mo
well, that was the first question nung simula nung Game Boys pa lang na pag ginawa mo to baka like ma-typecast ka, ganyan. I mean, it was well explained to me kasi nga basically not looking into any gender, no? Basically it's a character. So kahit ano angulo pa yan, wala namang mali dyan. So kung ipoportray mo yan, nasa isip na lang ng tao yan kung paano natitignan. So like with me, yun po, like what I said earlier na it's still a character. So I think there's nothing wrong with it. Pero with the team up namin ni Zijan, I think it's a good placing kasi it's mainstream. So yung mga ginawa ko po kasi before, it's more of indie, ganyan. So pero I think I'm medyo looking forward to do other characters naman. Something out of the box naman. Pero if meron ma-offer, we can talk about it naman po.
Ano yung mga pagbabago after mong ginawa yung with Zijan singer high? Kasi nakilala ko yung performance mo, mabilis. So ano yung mga pagbabago?
Nagka-gig ganyan. Yung mga racket. Marami pong mga, kumbaga like in terms of like social media, marami pong nakaka-notice din lalo. And like at the same time, it's something na na-treasure ko kasi like coming off from movies, na sobrang iba po kasi yung treatment talaga when it comes to movies and serye. Pag sa serye, nabalik ulit yung ginagawa kasi nung when I was young, I kept doing serye. So parang after doing movies again, then balik serye, parang kumbaga it's a parang panibagong feeling po ulit siya. So kung like in terms of changes, marami po eh. Like, siguro mas more of acknowledgement ng tao to be noticed. Yeah.
Iba yung pakiramdam na ganun na
So, yung po na ako overall, minsan nagpa-panic na ako, di ko alam kung paano handle it. Not panic in a bad way. Like panic lang na lumalabas din yung pagka-introvert side ko. Like, hindi ko alam paano ba ako paano ko ba i-handle it, like ano bang gagawin ko. Mas more of ganung factor.
Hindi gano'n na yung ultimate goal mo as an actor and as an individual.
To do more art films also. So yung isa po sa mga goal ko yun. And syempre like mga international films also gusto ko rin. Kasi para mas gusto ko rin po na ma-introduce din yung pelikulang Pilipino sa ibang bansa. I feel like we need that chance. Malaking bagay yun na at magagaling naman tayo eh. Like to tell a story pa lang, magaling naman na tayo. So to give that lang na sana mabigyan po ng ganung opportunity. But at the same time, gusto ko lang po tumatak na like to be a versatile actor. Like siguro like when I was young, maging sikat ganyan, pero I wanna be known na magaling na actor kaysa sikat for me. Pero kung mapigay po yun, why not? That's a blessing. Pero if I was in my place lang talaga, gusto ko lang po tumatak na magaling na actor.
Personal goal, bahay, upaan?
Yeah, of course. I wanna buy a house for my mom. Like also, syempre like house ko rin po on my own. And like yung mga dream na syempre like gusto ko rin po magkaroon ng like sariling what do you call it, foundation for dogs. Kasi mahilig po ako sa dogs talaga. So yeah. Thank you.
Next we have Nikki. You have a question.
Hi.
First of all, congratulations for being officially part of Starman. When it comes sa senior high, yes, of course, kayo magkakaisa. Well, you're of the same age. Can you describe the kind of friendship na nabuo nyo sa set while filming or doing the series?
With the relationship na nabuo po namin is more of, like what I said with Sabi ni Zijan, sobrang dali namin magkakatrabaho. Walang bahid ng, like parang, ano siya, bigayan. Siguro yun yung mas kung paano ko siya i-describe, like in terms of on-cam, bigayan kami lahat, and nag-uusap kami lahat kung ano yung kailangan, okay lang ba ulit na ganito, like, especially the specifics. With off-cam naman yun, biruan kami, kain, especially like sila Jella, yan, mahilig man libre. So parang kami like pag may mga promos din. So madalas like we usually hang kapag may chance, lalo na pag we do promos. Pero pag on-set kami, we're really focused. So yeah.
Going back to Zijan, what was your reaction when people, especially netizens, started shipping your team up sa senior high? What was your initial reaction?
Panic. Nagpa-panic ako ng sobra. Kasi like parang di namin na-expect. Sabi ko kay Zino, tol, ano na, like kaya natin to. Basta kung ano man yung kailangan ng character natin, gawin natin. And then bahala na kung mag-reflect man sa public, and it did. So like kami dalawa ni Zijan mismo parang block natin yung noise. Let's keep on doing this work. Pakita natin yung passion, and let's just keep doing the things that we love, which is umarte.
And kanina you mentioned for 1.5 years, you're the one nag-manage sa sarili mo. Now that you're part of established management, what are your expectations?
Expectations, siguro, like again, siguro is more of to keep on working in any, like kung kaya man na I can siguro like maybe give a chance din sa singing, like to dance din, pwede rin, or hosting. Pero siguro, as of now, I can maybe focus muna or expect more on acting stuff. So, feeling ko mas dun muna yung vision ko as of now. Pero kung may mga pumasok, why not? We can, like, kaya namang i-organize and i-manage.
Well, my next question is kind of related to what you said and to
Yeah.
the previous question. Kasi you were asked about your goals, di ba? Pero this year, do you have specific, parang short-term goals that you'd like to achieve within this year?
Getting a place, getting my own place siguro. Kasi I live with my mom. So, yeah, so parang I feel like gusto ko rin naman kasi layo ko, taga Parañaque pa ako. So, para lang less lang yung iniisip sa time, ganyan, para hindi po ako nagmamadali pag may mga taping or meeting or what. Yeah, siguro getting my own place. Maybe that's the next goal. Thank you bro.
Carlos,
Hindi. As ko lang, for sure maraming maraming nag-offer sa'yo ng management. Bakit mas nag-come up ka sa offer ng Star Magic? Ano ba sa tingin mo yung kakaiba sa Star Magic na wala yung ibang management?
For me, like vision. Ako siguro, like, yun yung nakikita ko. When I was young, I was really watching ABS lang talaga. As in, yun yung pinapanood ko ng bata ako. Like, sobrang fan ako. Aminado ako dun. And, lalo na especially with teleseries, that's what I watch. Like, basta sa prime time bida, matic na yan ng bata ako. Siguro, it's a dream, maybe. It's more of a dream. Siguro, like, parang kailangan, it's a milestone na kailangan ko ma-achieve. And kaya like sobrang grateful ako na na-offeran ako ng Star Magic.
Sinong iniidolo mo na Star Magic and gusto mo rin siya makasama sa isang project?
May pinaka-idol ko kasi talaga GLC. Like, John Lloyd talaga. Like John Lloyd, siya talaga, like siya yung pinapanood ko talaga when I was young pa. So, like in terms of Jericho, so, I mean sila like yung mga OG na talaga yung sobrang pinapanood ko before. So like I get to see the passion, and ang pinaka na-amaze kasi ako sa kanya in terms of everything lahat ng mga pair up sa kanya nag-work. So with yung meron siyang magic na ganong dala. So yun yung doon ako na-amaze. Yeah.
Yan lang. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks, Carlos. Is Karen of that?